Hello, we are Neurocle, a company developing AI vision inspection solutions for quality control in manufacturing industry. Neurocle provides a product called NeuroT, auto deep learning based platform that enables anyone to build high-performance AI models without any deep learning expertise, as well as the NeuroR, a runtime library that allows trained models to be deployed in a wide range of hardware environments. So the demo you are currently seeing shows Neurocle's auto deep learning model running in real time on Portwell's latest edge device, PJAI-1100F, so performing the tire defect inspection. So the tire contains highly complex and irregular surface patterns, so it makes it very challenging to accurately distinguish between normal variations and the true defects. So, however, our model is specifically designed to handle with complexity and reliably identify real defects with high accuracy. So in this demo, the model runs not only in real time on PJAI-1100F, but also in a fully optimized state. So it's ensuring stable performance without overheating or additional system load. So beyond this specific device, Neurocle's model are fundamentally optimized for edge environments. Through inference speed optimization and embedded deployment options, our solution delivers stable performance, high accuracy, and fast processing across a wide range of Portwell's edge devices. This makes it particularly suitable for industries such as automotive manufacturing, where real-time inspection is critical. So the demo itself is based on our real-world experience in automotive tire inspection projects. Tire inspections typically involves high-resolution X-ray images and requires detecting extremely subtle defects, making it highly demanding applications. The combination of Portwell Edge devices and Neurocle's edge-optimized AI inspection solution provides a fully validated and practical options worth considering. Thank you.